Hey crafty people, and welcome to my channel. We have made it to day 6, halfway there, of the Gina K Designs 12 Days of Christmas box unboxing and review. Alright, let's see what we have. Oh, this is interesting. Let's see, so far we've had a couple of stamp sets, we had the frame die, we had glue, we had embellishments. Lots of good stuff, but this is an interesting shaped package. What do you think it might be? I can't even... feels like spools of thread. Let's see. Ah! Not spools of thread. Oh, that's so fun. Dazzle dust. Ooh, it is super fine glitter. This is 14 karat. Sterling. So all the colors match the Gina line. And the Starlight. And these match the, I think I have them here. Maybe they walked off. The pastes. I'm trying to think of where they are. Oh. So I have a couple of the pastes here. So this is the Starlight. So that matches with that. It's just the iridescent glitter. And then the Sterling matches that. So that is really cool, and it's so fine. Ugh. I'm trying to think of all the ways you could use. You could put it in a shaker card. You could add a little bit of the glue and then put that on there and let that dry. You could add this onto any of the like the pastes or any of that kind of stuff. So lots of really good things that you can do with that. It is so fine. Like, you would not believe the shine on this. That's crazy. Alright, so not thread. But we get super fine glitter today, which is pretty awesome. That matches all of the Gina pastes and those kind of things. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I really appreciate it. And until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz. And have an amazing day. Bye-bye.